Shows the whole time my mic was off on the stream. All right, we got OBJ, Cam Akers, and another Des Fitzpatrick. All right, we got DeAndre Hopkins, Jake Plummer, Max Crosby, Kyle Pitts for the Falcons, Tom Brady, Jerry Rice. We got a Silver Prism, Byron Jones. We got Aziz Aquari, Green, Big Ben, Alvin Kamara. Silver, Jamie Collins, Travis Etienne, and Rashawn Slater. Decent first box so far. We've had a little Trevor Lawrence base, Kyle Pitts NFL debut, a little Genesis action, and then the green NFL debut, Najee Harris. We are on to the bonus pack, though. Got John Riggins, Rondell Moore, and Tom Brady. The GOAT. Yes, sir. Let's get Trey Lance. Haven't seen him. Trey Lance, Zach Wilson, Justin Fields. Need some more of them. Mac Jones. Haven't seen Mac Jones. All right, Chad Johnson, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Damian Harris, Derrick Henry, Len Williams, Tom Brady, Jerome Bettis. We got a green Steve Young, touchdown Masters Nick Chubb, a green Big Bang, Josh Jacobs, Asante Samuel, and a Mac Jones. Speaking of the devil, Mac 10. There we go. Little base, but we'll take it. All right, we got DeForest Buckner, Michael Carter, and Rashad Bateman. All right, we got 3 packs remaining in the box. Now a whole another box to go. All right, we got Terry McLaurin, LaMichael Pierce, Derwin James, T.J. Watt, Dante Culpepper, Tom Brady. We got a Silver Prism, Kenny Ngongwu, green Rashad Slater, Terry Bradshaw, Hall of Fame, Silver Pat Freiermuth, Jamin Davis, and a Davis Mills. Yes, sir. Let's get some Pitts. We've already had a base Pitts, but we need more than that. We need more than that. We're not here for the base cards, boys. All right, little Jalen Hurts, Larry Roundtree, and a Tua. 2 packs left remaining in the first box. Label these so I don't mix anything up. Alright. Alright, boys. 2 packs left in the first box, and we got a whole another box to rip open. It'll be posted tomorrow if you missed it. Posted tomorrow. All right. Peyton Manning, T. Higgins, Jerome Bettis, Devontae Parker, Tyler Lockett, Charles Tillman, Jamison Crowder. We got a green Kurt Warner. Will to win Kyler, Devontae Adams, green touchdown Masters, Amon-Ra St. Brown, and Tommy Tremble. Bring the heat. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, on to the bonus pack, and then we got 1 more pack remaining in the first box. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get hype, boys. Get the hype. Got Nick Chubb, Bobby Wagner, and Luke Kuechly. All right, last pack mojo for that first box. What's it going to be, boys? What's it going to be? Alright, we got Emmitt Smith, Trent Dilfer, Dan Fouts, Trace Claypool, Deshaun Watson. There we go. Trey Lance finally came to play. Little NFL debut, but we'll take it. Take it for sure. It's followed by Matthew Stafford. You got a green Warren Moon. Got game George Kittle. Hall of Fame Jerry Rice, Chris Evans, and Rashawn Bateman. Alright, on to our last bonus pack of that first box. And we got 12 packs to go. Jeremy Chin, Josh Allen, and Kenlyn Mond. Alright, boys, we are on to box number 2 of the day. First one wasn't too bad. We got that Genesis, a couple nice rookie pulls. The main thing was that Genesis. Alright, let's roll. Good luck as always. Alright, we got. I'm actually going to move the camera a little bit, just so people on the stream can see too. Alright, we got Cortland Sutton, Jim Kelly, Tua, Russell Wilson, Rodney Harrison, Justin Fields. Got a Silver Prism, Devin White, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Green. Ooh, what's this? Oh, just backwards. Big Bang, Josh Jacobs, Touchdown Masters, Alvin Kamara, Trevon Moehrig, and Cornell Powell. Finally, Justin Fields came to play. Alright, on to the bonus pack. Alright, we got Myles Garrett, Michael Pierce, and Jerome Bettis. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix the light so you guys have better lighting, see the cards better. Alright, that'll do. Alright, we got Jerry Jeudy, Josh Allen, Kenny Galladay, George Kittle, Adam Thielen, LaDainian Tomlinson, Joe Burrow. We got a Nick Chubb Green, Hall of Fame, Tim Brown. Got game Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Tommy Tremble, and J.C. Horn. Yeah, a lot of Chubb so far. Alright, we got Adrian Amos, Gary Brightwell, and DeAndre Hopkins. Alright. Yeah, we haven't seen too many Falcons. We just had that one Kyle Pitts NFL debut. That's pretty much all we've had so far. Alright, we've got Jarvis Landry, Budda Baker, Charles Woodson, Jalen Reagor, Aaron Rodgers, Calais Campbell, Patty Mahomes. Got a green Jake Plummer. Got game Derek Carr, Emmitt Smith, Will to Win, and then a Chaz Surratt and a Tylan Wallace. We got Julio Jones, Derwin James, and a Rondell Moore. Start of the rookie, we got Kenneth Gainwell, Ezekiel Elliott, Terrell Davis, Chris Carter, Tyreek Hill, Greg Rousseau, Silver Prism, Amari Rogers, Green Rashad Slater, Drew Brees, the Big Bang. We got a silver Aaron Rodgers, Rashawn Slater, and Amon-Ra St. Brown. Alright, we got Zeke, Jalen Hurts, and a pink Micah Parsons. Boom. Alright, we got David Montgomery, Patty Mahomes, Otis Anderson, Tom Brady, Javon Curse. We got Aaron Jones, another Tom Brady. It's followed by a green DeForest Buckner, Cam Akers, got game, a Tom Brady will win, Aziz Quarry, and a Travis Eaton Jr. Alright, we got Bobby Wagner, Tutu Atwell, and a Micah Parsons again. Bam. Back to back. Alright, we got Robert Tonyan, Allen Robinson, Mark Brunell, Chris Godwin, Malcolm Jenkins, a Jamar Chase, finally. Jalen Hurts, a green DeAndre Hopkins, a Tom Brady touchdown masters, got game Silver Prism, Lamar, another Trevor Lawrence, and Rashad Bateman. Doubling up on those Trevor Lawrences, I guess. Damn. Love to hear it, my guy. Alright, we got T.J. Watt, Kylan Hill, and Deshaun Watson. Super excited for those Mosaic blasts to come in. We've locked down about a little over 15 so far, I believe. Alright, Kyler Murray, Drew Lock, Cam Newton, Jameson Crowder, Eric Dickerson, Drew Brees, Baker Mayfield. We got a green Patrick Queen, green Big Bang, Aaron Jones, Kenneth Gainwell, and Daz Newsome. Let's see some fluorescent. I haven't had a fluorescent in any of these boxes yet. Alright, we got Von Miller, Mika Fitzpatrick, and Jared Dokes. We have we have 5 packs remaining. And that's going to conclude this break. Let's see a monster for sure. Let's go. Got 5 packs left. We do it for sure. Let's put out a Genesis or a little out of 25 fluorescent. Let's do it. We got Derek Brown, Jonathan Taylor, Mike Evans, Marshawn Lattimore, Fred Blickenoff, Michael Thomas, John Elway. We got a green Daniel Swanson, Quan Smith got game. Hall of Fame with Daniel Tomlinson, Ian Book, and Kwity Paye. Surprisingly, we don't really see a lot of Ian Book. Like, he's like the same hit rate as like Mac and Jones, and like I've hit more Justin Fields than I've hit Ian Book. I find that kind of weird. All right, we got Dante Hall, Josh Allen, and Stephon Diggs for pink bonus pack. I'm feeling a banger, boys. I'm feeling a banger. That Genesis just wasn't enough. The Genesis was not enough. Alright, we got Dwight Freeney, Joe Mixon, Leonard Floyd, Fred Warner, Kwity Paye, Saquon Barkley, Tom Brady. We got a green Jalen Smith, Brandon Ayuk got game, Hall of Fame, Randy Moss, Hall of Fame Deion Sanders, Shelby Heward, and Javon Holland. Reggie Bush, Greg Newsome, and Kurt Warner. 3 packs remaining, boys. 3 packs remaining. Hope you guys enjoyed tonight's break so far. I hope to see you guys back in the future. We got a 2-box Mosaic Holly break, a 3-box Mosaic Holly break, and then we got a bunch of blaster breaks coming. Make sure to follow us on Whatnot, Instagram, and YouTube. And then go to our website, pullemporium.com. Make sure you guys sign up for an account to get all the updates on breaks and stuff. Alright, we got OBJ, JJ Watt, Melvin Gordon, Miles Sanders, Dan Marino, Keenan Allen. We got a silver prism, Daniel Jones, Tommy Tremble Green. We got a Joey B, Will to Win, Javon Holland silver, Kyle Trask, and Pete Warner. That was a Justin Fields. Andy Dalton. Boom! As I say it, Justin Fields right after. And a Russell Wilson. I was literally saying I thought that Andy Dalton was a Justin Fields. And right after, we get a pink Justin Fields for the Bears. Boom. Just like that. That's how it always works. Speak it into existence, boys. Alright, we got 2 packs remaining. Let's get something crazy to end this break. Let's get something crazy to end off the break. Alright, we got Mark Andrews, Devontae Adams, Jerry Rice, Justin Jefferson, Jason Witten, Joe Mixon, Trey Sermon. We got a green T. Higgins, touchdown masters Devontae Adams, silver Peyton Manning, a base Najee Harris, and a Penny Swell. Steelers are having a day. Couple nice Najee Harris cards. Alright, I got Brian Urlacher, Chase Winovich, and Steve Young. Alright, boys, we are on to our last pack. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the break, and I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. We do have another break tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. NBA Prism Fast Break Holly Box. All teams are available. To buy it now on pullemporium.com. Unfortunately, they are not available on Whatnot tonight. Alright, we got Tyler Boyd, Kurt Warner, Peyton Manning, Ryan Tannehill, Cooper Kupp, Russell Wilson, Joe Montana. We got a green Peyton Manning, Hall of Fame Jerry Rice, Silver Prism Touchdown Masters A.J. Brown, Michael Strachan, and Joe Tryon. Alright, we're on to our last bonus pack. Last pack, Mojo. Good luck as always. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's break. Alright. If this is what happened last time, I thought this was Gardner, or I thought this was Trevor Lawrence, but it's actually Gardner, John Riggins, and Dax Millen. No T-Law there. Alright, boys. I appreciate you guys for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed the break. Best hit today was definitely this Genesis. Only a Melvin Gordon, but we'll take what we can get. But I hope you guys enjoyed the break, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.